good, YouTube? It's your boy Real back again with another video. And you already know from the description down below, this is a reaction video. So look, if you haven't already, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and like this video right now. Hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll never miss a video like this from the Double M, yeah? Cool. I'm gonna let y'all know right now. It's about to go down. Wife says she's about to do something to her hair, so I'm about to do something to her stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this baby powder inside of her blow dryer. So when she turn it on, you know, to blow dry her hair, just a big cloud of white smoke, just gonna be terrible. I don't know how she gonna act, man, but we gonna get her reaction for sure. Y'all gonna be right here for the whole thing. Y'all gonna see everything firsthand before me, so y'all lucky. Y'all are very, very lucky. So we got to go ahead and pour some of the stuff in here right quick and try to. When you got a lot in there, because it started to come out the back end. Wipe it off. Wipe it off real good. Clean it up. Put it back where she had it. It's about to get real. So, without further ado, let's go.
Real! You put something in my f***ing blow dryer?
Ooh, it's smoky in here.
Are you serious?
What happened?
You put in my blow dryer? Look at my hair. I just got out the shower.
You like Snow White.
Are you for real?
What happened though?
I just got out of the shower. Why would you do that? Deontay, why else did shit get in here? What is it?
What is that?
Mom, are you f***ing serious? You put something in my blow dryer?
Nah. I ain't touched the dryer.
So how did shit get in there? My hair's white.
What is it? What's in it?
F***ing white dust. What did you put in here? All over my face.
That's baby powder, I think. Smell like vape powder.
Man, who fucking plays around like that? Now I gotta get in and wash my hair. Are you serious?
Smell like vape powder.
I gotta get back in the shower, wash my hair. It's not funny.
Damn, that's powder white too. Ooh.
How would you do that?
Tell you what.
You know what I'm saying? Please leave me alone. It's late and I'm ready to get in the bed. Are you serious? How much shit did you put in here?
What team you rolling with?
Man, come on.
Woo! Still blowing.
Stupid, you was getting on my damn nerves. What is this supposed to be? Funny?
Oh, that was funny. Hey, yo.
You gonna break my damn nose pipe. What did you put in here?
Smell like baby powder. Baby powder. Hey, yo, y'all be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy, Real. Team Real all day. Comment down below. Peace.